Hey guys, Omerko here, a self-taught web developer. After a longer video for material dialog, this should be a short one. In this video I will show you how can you use a divider component from Angular material, which is just this line on my screen that you can see. So by this you won't need to use a horizontal rule from HTML, but a material component as well. Also, did you know that only 2% of you who are watching my videos are actually subscribed? If you are one of those who is not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, as I am posting web development tutorials weekly. Now, into this video. First of all, let's generate our component that will use divider. So in my terminal, I can simply use a command of ng, g for generate, c for component, and I will generate my components in folder of components /divider. Once our component is generated, we can open our app.component.html file. First of all, I will hide this dialog from the last video. If you wish to watch that video, you will have a link down in the description of this video. But now, after this dialog, I will set the comment of divider, and just below I will use my app divider component that I just generated. So here I can also set the end of divider for my ending comment. As with all material components, we will need to import corresponding module for this one as well. So make sure to open up your app.module.ts file. In my main module here, I will first of all move this divider component that we generated here to a top, and here I will make sure to import my mat divider module, and I will import that from @angular/material/divider. Also, one last thing, make sure to pass this mat divider module inside of your imports array, so you can just simply use this divider component. To use this divider component, open up your divider HTML file, and in this file I will set the paragraph with some text. Text can be just lorem ipsum. This is too long, let me go view and word wrap, so we could break this text and you can see it on my screen. And right after this paragraph I will use mat divider, which is material element. So now let's grab both of these, paragraph and mat divider, and paste those 2 times. Just make sure to remove this last mat divider, as I don't wish to divide after my last paragraph. Now by testing this, we can see our lines here between our paragraphs, and those lines would be our dividers. And to be honest, that's pretty much it. Now, did you know that only 2% of you who are watching my videos are actually subscribed to my channel? If you are one of those watching this video and not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, as I am posting web development tutorials weekly. Also, if you have any questions related to this video, just ask me down in a comment section. I will surely answer you. But this will be all. Thank you all for watching. If you liked what you saw, please click like and subscribe, as I am posting a new content weekly. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.